Carteret Mobile Park. It's Friday, September 13th. It's a beautiful, cool day. Finally, the heat went away. Let's go check out how this house turned out. Hi guys! So this house is sold, but we're gonna go ahead and show you what we built for this lady. So this house has stainless steel package. This has the stove and the microwave. And the beautiful gray cabinets and the contrasting, coordinating countertop and this beautiful farm sink with the gooseneck faucet. Great little window to look outside. And we continued with the New York subway backsplash and the dishwasher in stainless steel and the side-by-side refrigerator. It's really lovely. Let's see, do I have any lights here? Let's see, I bet you the electric's on working. Yes, we have electricity, so let's turn on all the lights as we're going through the house. And in the living room, we have the fan. And I guess the light isn't on in the kit. So let's do that. And there you have it. So we've got this huge living room area and laminate flooring. And let's continue putting on the lights throughout. So let's take a peek from this side. Great windows. What a really pretty view. And then this is your laundry area. And let's take a look at the bathroom. Finally, we have our glass door in, our glass shower door, and there's a hold bar there. And the LED lights above the mirror and the counter. And then here's the bedroom. And another fan in here. Let's turn on this light. There we go. Very nice. And these are the new window shades without the string, which is the newest feature for these Redmond homes. And here's the closet and the hot water heater. So let's go check out the other bedroom. This is a 2-bedroom unit. Furnace is in here. And again, the lights are off here. Let's turn this on. Oops. There we go. Oh, did I not do the fan right? I don't know. Let's find out what I did. I don't know how to fix that. And again, here's the shade without the string. And it has this little rod to turn them up and down. Let's fix this one. It's really pretty. So I'm very pleased how this house came out. This is the 2nd bedroom, the closet, and the guys are outside. We're trying to get the closing set up as soon as possible. Hey, Mr. Dolan, how are you?
Good, how are you? This is a great day. The finishing touches go on the house.
I was commenting on the new shades that have are stringless, which is really nice.
I never knew that.
Oh yeah, the X5 has that also. Very, very pretty. It is a very nice kitchen. We're looking forward to having her move in. Very exciting. Thank you for stopping in. We'll keep you posted on other houses that we provide to eager homeowners. It's quite a joy and a privilege to be able to help people achieve the American dream of home ownership. Check out our website, dolanhomes.com for any one of our 3 communities in New Jersey of manufactured homes: Carteret Mobile Park, Edison Mobile Estates, and Harbor Crossings Manufactured Home Community in Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey.